outcomes is to make this a lot more efficient for them, where we can actually report to our donors on their endowments and what their endowments are being used for monthly. And then looking at advancement moving forward, we're looking at our different schools and seeing what endowments our schools have and how are they utilizing those endowments, so that our advancement teams can actually go and fundraise in a better manner. So the fact that it's real-time data coming from Raiser's Edge, and then we also have real-time data coming from our banner, which is our SIS right now, and being able to utilize that along with flat files from smaller applications like FundDriver to create these different reports that automation of making that so much easier for our team, so they can actually concentrate on the fundraising and not have to worry about having to manually manipulate a report anymore. Going down the line, we're looking at student engagement, advising, and then even enrollment, and being able to utilize the system to pulling graduation reports, to being able to pulling our finance reports, to be able to even getting rid of legacy reporting tools and being able to convert all of these legacy reports into the Scaffold DataX product, so that they can have dashboarding capabilities.
We have 9 institutions. We have 9 separate IR teams on each of those campuses, but we all do the same compliance reporting. And, when we think about efficiencies, we just weren't hitting the mark there. And so one of the first projects we worked on with the K16 team was compliance reporting. We have compliance reporting at the state level. We have compliance reporting at the federal level. And for us, having access to all that data at once, it's a matter of filtering on the institution. So we see, a powerful outcome for the system by, where we're able to analyze the data and sort of filter by institution, cutting down on our IT time in reporting, our IR and IT time in reporting. And so that's pretty exciting for us, because now we can start to engage in that proactive sort of analysis where we can, do some data analytics that help us really better understand retention, graduation rates, and so on. You likely all report to iPads. So you would be in the same situation where you have compliance reports that are due with the iPad surveys. And so this is an exciting deal for us, because we've essentially saved so much time for our teams. And even with those iPads reports, it's not just one group that's making the reports. You may have finance team doing the finances. You may have your HR folks doing the HR, ensuring that data accuracy, ensuring that uniformity of definitions. It's all there within this DataX tool. So that's exciting for us.
So our need to have a data strategy developed from implementing a new ERP system. And so that highlighted the fact that we had data in various systems, and it would be advantageous to the institution to bring it all together. And DataX seemed like it was the right solution for us, because we had limited resources that were dedicated to our data strategy. So having a tool that automated the pipelines of bringing data in from the various systems was very attractive for Meharry, because we were able to capitalize with that without increasing our FTE count. So that was very important.